I'm happy to share with you that I have just finished writing an ebook entitled JavaScript, a comprehensive guide from ES2015 to ES2023. It is an ebook that covers all the important things about JavaScript. If you are interested in Vue.js, React, or any other JS framework, it is very essential to know the basics of JavaScript. It starts with simple things and goes all the way up through more advanced approaches, making sure that you know JavaScript inside out. Here is a preview of what's inside the ebook. The table of contents shows that it contains all new features and methods introduced since ES2015. Similarly, you can also find a list of new features introduced in ES2016 and so on. Included are all major new features in each ECMAScript versions from ES2015 to ES2023. You will feel comfortable handling any JavaScript project after reading through this ebook. The book includes step-by-step instructions along with clear examples to ensure you are well prepared. Your worth as web developer increases when you improve your JavaScript skills. Whenever you encounter a problem or need assistance with any JavaScript project, you can always refer back to this ebook for guidance. Wait no longer, grab your copy of JavaScript, a comprehensive guide from ES2015 to ES2023. Start your journey to JavaScript mastery now.